Hello everyone and welcome back to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And today we're going to be talking about Twitch rivals. Over here, if we write Twitch rivals, we should be welcome to the page of Twitch rivals right here. They're not live right now because there's no such games going on right now, but Twitch rival basically brings in your favorite streamers, the fan favorite streamers, in a head-to-head competition in some of the world's largest games, such as a few months ago the Twitch stream rivals was held for Call of Duty Warzone, as well as Fortnite, Among Us, and all those games. So that is basically what Twitch rival is. And if you want to follow the Twitch rivals, I would say make sure you drop a follow on the Twitch rival page, because every time they go live, this page is gonna notify you on what games is going live. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.